Welcome everyone. Last day in North Conway, checking out of my hotel, the Fox Ridge, I think it's called, Fox Ridge Resort. Probably going around North Conway a lot. See what I felt. So long to room 120. You've served me well. Place is pretty big.
All right, let's start bringing up our stuff. There you go.
Yeah, that record sounds fun.
All right, Martha, think about one of our beautiful gift baskets. Wander back to the gift basket section of the store and take a look.
It was a recycle.
North Conway Scenic Railroad. Gonna go in and check it out, but not gonna take a ride today. Too much to do. But I will definitely be back.
Oh, gotcha. Cool.
Wrapping up in North Conway. It's been fun, but on to the next stop. Lake Winnipesaukee, Margate Resort. Not me. I'll be getting a blue pop because I'm at Sea Dog Brewery. Huh? You're getting a mango tango. Mango tango! Checked into the Margate, but not staying here for too long right now because we got a concert to go to. Great show tonight. Had a blast, and now it is time for bed. Peace.